Hey everyone, this is Steven from FireBoard Labs, and I want to welcome you to our new production facility here in Kansas City, Missouri. Since we began our business in 2015, we've focused on building FireBoard close to home, and we did that by hiring local contract manufacturers. But in March of 2019, we decided to bring all of our manufacturing in-house under one roof. We've always had a passion for hardware at FireBoard, and taking control of our production was a natural step for us. This vertical integration means that we can now focus on building exceptional hardware instead of relying on outside manufacturers and third parties. Our new assembly line has helped reduce our lead times from months to a matter of days. We can prototype and bring products to market faster and innovate and improve quicker than ever before. Another advantage of bringing the manufacturing in-house is it lets us manage production every step of the way. We've refined our process and have kept a close eye on quality control. Not only does that ensure our operations are efficient, but everything we build here at FireBoard meets our high standards that we've and our customer have come to expect. FireBoard is proud to be an American company, and we're excited to be making products for customers all over the world. So from everyone here at FireBoard, we appreciate your support and thank you.